What is up, folks? This is Andrew with MyWatchAddiction.com, and today, yes, we have another Kickstarter watch unboxing. Today we're going to be opening up the most recent watch that I received. It is the Bomber Automatic from Helgray Watches. Now, if you guys are on social media at all, you likely saw Helgray Watches promoting the heck out of this campaign a few months back, but this guy is finally in. Supposedly, it's an all-around badass watch for everyday wear, but we're going to jump into this and see if it really holds up to its name. If you have not seen my videos before, down there in the right-hand corner of the screen is that subscribe button. Go ahead and smash that guy and ding that bell if you want to get notified of me releasing any new videos in the future. And we've got a lot of cool stuff coming up. Anyway, guys, let's tear into this Bomber Automatic from Helgray Watches. From Helgray Watches. Incidentally, this watch did come from Canada. Received in November 2018. Now, when this Kickstarter campaign originally completed, they had an estimated ship date of October 2018. So had roughly a month slip, but in all honesty, guys, Helgray Watches kept in open communication with their backers, so I don't have any problems with how this campaign has gone whatsoever. Nice black cardboard outside box. You can see Helgray Watches is kind of raised right there. Actually, not watches, just says Helgray is raised right there on the outside cardboard box. And you guys have seen me do this before. I don't like trashing boxes, so I try to open them as carefully as possible because never know if I'm going to be selling this watch, sending it on its way, trading it, whatever, but I want the next person that has this watch, if it's not me, to have the perfect experience. Inside, red inside, nice, looks like a travel case, says Helgray, that's all raised right on there. Seems like a pretty decent case. Open it up, and what do we have in here? First we have the thank you card. Then, oh, look at this. Wait, share your unboxings for a chance to win a $500 credit. Guys, over at Helgray, I want that $500 credit, incidentally. And then we have the Helgray International Warranty card that came with the watch. We open this guy up. Decent packing. You guys have seen me open a couple Kickstarter watches that were packed horrendously, so I am not hating the packing on this watch. The watch looks like it made it to me completely safe and sound. And that is the Bomber Helgray Automatic. If you guys give me just a second, I will get the plastic cleaned up off of this watch and we will dive in and take a closer look. Now, the first thing that caught my attention with this Bomber Automatic from Helgray Watches is that very, very detailed dial design, both with those applied indices and then the texture right there in that dial. I'm also a fan of those hands that are on this watch and the small second hand display right there at that 6 o'clock position. But the number one thing that caught my attention was the open heart design right there at that 7 and 8 o'clock position. Now that open heart, the ability to have that open heart dial design is in part due to that Miyota 82S5 movement that Helgray Watches decided to use in this watch. Now that watch does have a 40-hour power reserve and a precision of plus or minus 40 seconds a day. Now I know there's a lot of people that are not fans of this watch, or I'm sorry, of this movement. However, I've had quite a few watches with this movement in the past. This guy does have a 42-hour power reserve, but it does not have hacking ability. So I think that's something that throws a lot of people off. The other thing that caught my attention about this watch is just the size. This guy does have a 45 millimeter dial size from side to side, as well as a 13.5 millimeter case thickness. Now, if we flip this guy over, you see that exhibition case back right there with that Miyota 82 S5 movement right there on the back, and you can see it says Helgray Bomber. That is a sapphire crystal. This guy does have 10 ATM of water resistance with that screw down aluminum crown right there at that 4 o'clock position. Now, this watch did come in a few different color combinations, and we'll get into that when we take a look at the Kickstarter campaign. Also, it came with a few different strap combinations. I opted to go with the black pilot strap on this bomber just because I thought it looked really nice with it. But if you guys give me a second to get set up, we will jump over to their Kickstarter campaign and you guys can see how much I actually paid for this Bomber Automatic from Helgray Watches. So if we jump over to their Kickstarter campaign, you can see 1,329 backers pledged $330,000 to bring this campaign to life. If we scroll down here, it's 329. Out of Montreal, Canada, Helgray Watches is. You can see I was a backer at $249 for the Bomber Automatic. There's just some views of it. I'm going to scroll down here, kind of scroll through this pretty quickly because what I wanted to show you on this, incidentally, they did have a quartz movement bomber from Helgray Watches that was going for $149. I personally really liked the open heart design in the automatic. That's why I chose the automatic for myself. But if we scroll down here, it talks a little bit about the design, the movements, strap combinations. But these are all the different colors that this bomber from Helgray Watches came with. Now, this is specifically the quartz version. You can get it in the stainless steel case or the PVD coating case, as well as different colors on their chapter rings, as well as different strap types. So it allows you to customize a little bit. There's a rose gold case as well with that gray dial design versus the black. And here's the automatics. Now the automatics, again, stainless steel case, slight differences in the black. I opted for the black pilot, but they did have a stealth gray. The tactical blackout one was nice also. However, I'm not a huge fan of NATO straps. That's why I did not go with the PVD coating tactical blackout. And then of course they have an Admiral blue with that rose gold and navy blue. Really nice colors. It's just, it's not something that would fit all that great in my collection. As far as the campaign goes in general, I view this as a pretty good campaign. Did not have any concerns with this watch completing. They maintained constant communication, as I've said, with Kickstarter campaigns, a company that maintains constant communications, good, bad, or indifferent, with their backers is always going to have a successful project from the backer standpoint. Backers never like to be left in the dark, and mainly because that can cause a lot of anxiety, a lot of thoughts that you got screwed out of your money. While I'm here also, that was the campaign, the Kickstarter campaign. I'm just going to point out, you can actually go over to helgray.com. You can see here the Bomber Automatic Black Pilot is sold out. However, they do have some in stock still, and those are just all of Helgray Watches. But let's look at the Bomber Automatics specifically. You can see they still have the tactical blackout available. They have the stealth gray available. Those two they have left. They're shipping November 21st, 2018. They are going for $299 now. $50 more than I jumped into on this Kickstarter campaign. But they do have some left if you guys are interested. I'll post up a link in the description section below if you guys want to check them out. So that was that Bomber Automatic from Helgray Watches. Guys, I don't think this was a bad little snag for the $249, $79, whatever it was that I paid for it. Not a bad little snag at all. I love that open heart dial design. Personally, being a big fan of skeleton watches, that open heart dial design is something that just attracts me. I think the red aluminum crown and that textured black dial along with those applied indices, I think looks really, really sharp. So I'm glad I participated in this campaign. Glad I picked this guy up. If you guys want to see this watch on my wrist, or any other watch on my wrist for that matter, don't forget you can follow us at Instagram/watchaddiction.us. All right, guys, I am going to take off and get out of here. I hope you guys have a great week, and we will see you soon.